use the Bobbex 48-ounce Easy Pump Sprayer. Shake container vigorously before each use to thoroughly mix contents. Pump the top plunger handle 10 to 20 times or until sufficient pressure has built up within the sprayer. Push down on the thumb trigger to spray and confirm pressure. Turn the outer nozzle to adjust the spray pattern from stream to wide to best serve your application needs. For extended spraying periods, sliding the top button forward while the thumb trigger is depressed will lock the sprayer in the on-spray position. Sliding it back will release it. When done spraying, partially unscrew the top to release pressure. Retighten and store any unused Bobbex in a cool, dark place. When empty, the 48-ounce Easy Sprayer can be reused if cleaned properly. To do so, unscrew the top counterclockwise and thoroughly rinse the container. Fill the container halfway with clean water. Reassemble, pump, and spray clean water for about a minute to rinse the hose and nozzle. Remove top, discard remaining water, and allow to air dry. To avoid contamination, do not use the Bobbex pump sprayer with any other liquids. Bobbex, helping plants survive and thrive.